Do you know Hubble Telescope had a computer glitch and it's not working now? If you didn't know it before, this video is for you. Hubble Telescope is a large space telescope that was launched into space on April 24, 1990. Hubble Telescope has made more than 1.3 million observations with many discoveries. On June 13, Hubble's 1980s classic payload computer stopped working. NASA has spent almost 4 weeks trying to solve the glitch. The instruments that take pictures and collect data are now working, putting Hubble into an offline mode. After the payload computer's glitch, all the instruments are in safe mode. If Hubble's glitch didn't solve, there is a solution to keep it alive. Hubble Telescope has 4 memory modules. Out of them, one is currently used for the operation and others are used for backups. The backup computer is considered fully redundant by NASA. That's all for today. I hope Hubble Telescope's glitch will be solved soon. If you enjoyed and learned something by watching this video, please like the video and consider subscribing to my channel. I will be back soon with a new video. Thanks for watching.